Hey leaders, how you doing? This is Marco Kino. I am Assistant and Automation Specialist at our company LEADZ, where we provide business owners like yourself the right system and automation to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, every week we share tutorial videos to our clients and subscribers in giving them value and making sure that they are aware of the features and tools inside our all-in-one CRM. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you another tutorial. And if you don't have any CRM yet, we offer a 30-day free trial so that you can test it out and also follow through the tutorial videos that we are creating so you can do it yourself and get results as soon as possible. Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. For this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you an awesome tool, not your CRM, but and it's called Screenshot Monitor, and this will allow you to track your time that you're spending on, different sites or specific apps on your computer, and also for your team members, because it's very important to, hold your team accountable, especially that we're working on the virtual space. We don't necessarily know, or we can't really see what they're doing or how much time are they spending on specific tasks. So this tool will allow you to see everything on your side, so you can see exactly where you need to improve upon, and also what are the tools or what are the necessary steps that you can do to make your team members task or activities a lot easier and faster. So everything will be done automatically. The process is very simple. This tool will track everything effortlessly. It will take screenshots and also track the exact time that's being used on specific platforms. So it's going to give you a lot of insights, and also data statistics that are very useful for tracking and for holding each other's accountable. The most important part is you can sign up for free, right? Just use this specific link. I'm going to put that in the description as well. It's screenshotmonitor.com/question mark ref equals 3067. So you can sign up for free and test it out for yourself and also for your team members, so you can effectively communicate and just manage all your task and also for your team members activities. All right, I'll give you more information on that data based on what we have gathered with one of our team members. So this is exactly how it would look like once you get your own account. You will have a manager dashboard, and you can see every team member that you have on your team, and you can see exactly what has been taken place every day, right? So for example, let's go back to November 21st. So you can see exactly the hours that has been focused on in terms of like the schedule. So this particular person, she spent 5 hours and 22 minutes using her computer. And from here you can see exactly what are the different tools or software or website that that person is visiting in specific time. So for example, 10:16 Instagram, 10:21 Slack, Instagram, Slack. You can see exactly what they're doing, and even their status, whether they're online or offline. So you can see what is taking place, and you can effectively just provide feedback for your team members, but not only for them, also for yourself, because sometimes when you focus on something and you go to social media, you lose your focus and you're not noticing that you're spending like an hour browsing different stuff. So it will also give you those insights, so you can see exactly what are the unconscious habits that you have, so you can effectively change them and improve upon from there. All right. Apart from this data, you can even see some notes as well. And if you want some advanced features, you can upgrade to different offers available, but just the free option will give you a lot of insight that you would need. effectively to manage your entire team and yourself. All right, if you have any question, we are here to provide you more information. But yeah, we encourage you to test it out. Just go to screenshotmonitor.com/, question mark ref equals 3067, and from there you will learn more information, and it will also provide the tutorials that you need to get started with this tool. All right, if you have any question, let us know. Hope you have an awesome week.